After trying this recipe, I've never had coffee any other way. Super easy, fast, and it only needs 3 ingredients. I'm sure you're gonna love it. In a bowl, add 2 cups of sugar and 50 grams of instant coffee. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of warm water, our last ingredient. Stir quickly our 3 ingredients. From now on, I'm gonna use a mixer, but you can use an electric whisk or a whip. It will work anyway. Take a moment and write in the comments below where you are watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'll be super happy. Can you see our coffee's changing color and at the same time doubling its size? This is what we want to happen. You guys, this is the point we want to reach. Just look at the texture. Transfer the mixture in a plastic Tupperware to store. If you are still watching the video, you are loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love coffee. Now cover with a lid. You can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. Let me show you how to have this coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of our creamy coffee in a cup. Now just add some warm milk, stir well, and enjoy. You guys, this coffee tastes delicious, as good as the bars. It lasts long and it's super cheap. I hope you loved our recipe. Now I'm going to answer to your comments below. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.